Good evening, all. Today's assembly was conducted by Class 2B. It commenced with a Bible reading by Marin Jose, followed by a prayer song, and prayer led by Eva Susan Matthew. Srinav Sianu presented the word of the day. The thought for the day was presented by Shivananda Vijesh. The pledge was led by Anamika Sujesh. The birthdays of students were celebrated during the assembly. The headmistress and few senior teachers distributed certificates to the Kalolsam winners. The assembly concluded with some exercises.